Good morning once again, everybody. It is Thursday, July the 31st. I don't know, we're sometime after 10 a.m. Eh, this is one of the first, excuse me, prefab built deck boxes that I have bought. And I'm looking at it as, it's sort of information on how to build a deck, and how to slowly get started with this. If I really wanted to, I could take this set that I get in here to there's actually two sets in here, this set and that set. The Mewtwo and the Melmetal sets. So yeah. Adventure awaits, Pokemon Go, and stickers. I like stickers. So yeah, let's see what all is in here. So I'm guessing that's like a checklist. Well, not really a checklist, but I'll read it later, maybe. And some special cards. Then, of course, it comes with two decks, or rather two packs. Two decks of playing cards, two packs of cards to add to those decks. Yeah, the Melmetal and the Mewtwo. And yeah, they come with their own little special coins in the back. It's kind of cool. A little game board, quick start rules, energy point tokens, explaining what to do. And of course, there's the promo card. Sword and Shield, number 224. And then your deck box. And, oh, look at that. It's, one end is sealed. I thought both ends were sealed. And, just a bunch of cards. Yeah, I'll go through these later and look through them, and like I said, I'll do that later. Like I said, this is all absolutely new to me. I have never bought, like I said, pre-built decks before, so yeah, it's interesting to say the least. Yeah, it's wow. Everything else, that's last minute. Anyways, it's like trying to fold a map back up. It never goes back the same way you unfolded it. So yeah, I got those two ready to go. Some extra cards, and yeah. The reason why we're here is to open these guys. So yeah, like I said, it's Thursday today. Here in Canada, we are heading into a long weekend, and yeah, well, at least in BC. It's the BC Day long weekend, and I need scissors to help me with this. There we go. Bam, bam. Is it 4? Yeah. And then 2. Bam. As I was saying, yeah, it is Thursday today. And yeah, it's going to be the long weekend. And yeah, I hope everybody is having an enjoyable summer. Being safe. Covering up where you can, and wearing sunscreen, and just hydrating and taking care of yourself while enjoying the summer sun. And once again, for anybody that happens to be in the southern hemisphere, once again, I hope you're taking it safe and having a good time, and enjoying what winter is for you guys. I've never been in the southern hemisphere during winter, so I mean it's new to me. I don't know. Yeah, I like that slowpoke. I like that. It's yeah, just dipping your tail in. It's like it's like some mornings where I poke a foot out, and it's like, oh, is it too cold? Yeah, too cold. Okay, get back under the covers. uh, and then anyways, yeah, slowpoke. Bam. Articuno. Nice. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Hey. Ooh. Pikachu. Nice. I like that. That's a nice hollow. I will bag them up after. This one I didn't need help with the scissors, so that's a good thing. Hey. No, I messed up. There we go. I don't have any water with me, so I mean, yeah, I can't take a sip of water, but I can do pretend like it was a fire in the hole or something. Okay, that's feeling a little better. Oh, it looks like that was just my second Charmander. I got one one in this pack and one in the previous pack. I don't mind. I mean, it's cards. Gotta have them all. Gotta collect them all. Gotta chase them all. Give them to me. Numel taking a nap. What do we got? Hey. Another Pikachu. Nice. And hey. Ooh, we got gold. Gold. Lure module. We got gold, baby. Let's bag these guys up. There's like 4 cards to bag up, so I mean, not really a whole lot here, but yeah, y'all just see me pull that gold. Nice, I like that. And then of course, there's this Pikachu in the reverse. That's nice. And then this Pikachu regular holo. Oh, I missed the bag. And Articuno, the birdie. Bam. Yeah, so like I was saying, yeah, it's Thursday today, the 31st. I hope everybody's being safe. I hope everybody's, having a good time. And, yeah, we got, like I said, another month of summer, and well, another month until Labor Day, and after Labor Day, all the kids are back in school. So for me, that was always when summer ended, was back to school. Of course, summer ends September 20 something. Anyways, that'll all get figured out later. Yeah, so that was the V Battle deck box, Mewtwo versus Melmetal, Pokemon Go. And yeah, like I said, it gives me a couple of pre-made decks to sort of try and figure out, and at least like I said, I got 2 pre-made decks here, and if I find somebody who wants to try, hey, let's try. Because as I said, I mean, I still need to learn the game. I still want to learn the game, and yeah, this is just an extra opportunity to do just that, learn the game and start playing it. One step closer. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a great day. Be safe out there. Take care, and remember, smile. You just might make somebody's day. All right, everybody, take care. Bye.